Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Today I'm going to open up a booster box of Ursula's Return, but we're really just going to focus on the rares and above, so the rare slot and the full slots. Let's crack into it. Okay, let's see how hard this is to open up. Shouldn't be too bad. I've got a ink pen here, so we're going to find a weak spot. Boom. Again, we're going to focus on just the rare slot and the full slot, see what we get, if anything good. And let's see, yep. Okay, I'm not going to mess with that right now then, since it's going to be stubborn with us. Alrighty. First packaroo, we got transformed chef. Okay, that's our full rare Goofy. Look at this family. Okay, and that's it. I'm gonna move on. Puzzle piece. Full Scuttle, rare Jasmine, rare John Silver, Paco numero 3 sos. Hope the camera's not shaking. I had to move the bottom piece around a little bit so that it wouldn't be in the shot, but there is Triton's Trident. You might like it. Hey, there's a legendary Ursula, awesome. And a rare Under the Sea. I almost said foil. Let's see, that was pack 3. 4 it is. Going left, right, top, down. But that's how I do. That's how it be in my household. Alright. We have a full Beast. Super rare Ariella. And a rare Rapunzel. Okie dokie. I can see an issue. These packs are starting to pile up on me already. That's alright. Rock and roll. A full super rare Flynn Rider Frenemy. Nice. And a regular super rare Flynn Rider Frenemy and a rare Raja. Okay, we have a Pluto, a super rare Bruno Madrigal, Undetected Uncle. Nice. And a rare The Wall. Yeah, the camera, the base that it was on was getting in the shot, so I had to rotate it out, but that made the whole thing a little bit loose. There's a full Pegasus. So I hope it's not going to be shaky and weird on us. And we don't talk about it, Bruno. We don't talk about Bruno. No, no, no. I can't carry a tune in a bucket, but you know what? That is just fine. A full Gunther, rare Triton, and a rare Miss Potts. That was a full Mulan, Ursula's Lair, and Ariel. Full Pegasus. Oh, a legendary Hades. Very nice. He's a 3/3 for 4, quests for 1. But here's the trade-off. Banish one of your other characters. Play a character with the same name as banished character for free. And we have Ursula, Storm Chaser. I don't know why I keep going to that uncommon. I guess it's like just in case they loaded me down with an extra special pack of nothing but rares, we would keep going. Not like that's ever going to happen, but you know, I can dream. A Pirate's Life. It's a Pirate's Life for me, and he's foil, and we're moving on to Ariel, Treasure Collector. That's a super rare. And we have a rare Field of Ice. Felix Madrigal, foil. A couple of super rares here. Peter Pan, Shadowfinder, and Zeus, Mr. Lightning Bolts. Okay. That was a good pack. A full rare Imperial Proclamation. Very nice. Namari, Heir of Fang. Okay, that's a rare. And rare Treasures Untold. Ice Block. You attack? Well, I ice block. Okay. Oh, I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. Full rare Creaky. Where's that Crikey? Crikey, mate. I don't really know. Oh well. C'est la vie. Ooh, a legendary Piglet. Sturdy Swordsman. That's awesome. He's a 3/5 for 5 that quests for 3, has resist +1, and not so small anymore. While you have no cards in your hand, this character can challenge ready characters. Ooh, awesome. Very cool. I like that. And a regular Imperial Proclamation rare. Okay. Okay, there is a full Folly. A rare The Muses, and a rare Sisu. Full Daisy Duck. That is a super rare Noi. And a rare Crikey. Creaky. I don't know. Well, I'd say Creaky because it's Lucky Cricket. So Creaky. Sure, why not? That's my logic, and I'm sticking by it. Unless I'm wrong, in which case I don't really care. Then it would be Crikey from there on. Anyway, we have a full Bell. Gaston, a super rare. You know, the good thing about being wrong is if you are corrected, then hey, you've learned something. And rather than just being angry about being wrong in the first place, it's always cool to learn new things and grow as a person. Although I don't know how much growth I would get as a person out of saying crikey over creaky. Anyway, we have a full Bruno Madrigal. That's really cool. I like that so much. That is cool artwork. Bruno. We don't talk about Bruno. No. And, oh, look at that. A legendary. The Queen Diviner. That is really cool. Very cool. 3/3 for 3. The quest for 1. And she has Consult the Spell Book. Look at the top 4 cards of your deck. You may reveal an item card and put it in your hand. If that item costs 3 or less, you may play it for free instead, and it enters play exerted. Put the rest on the bottom of your deck in any order. That's a cool card. That is legendary. And a rare, One Last Hope. Okay, got looks like 6 packs left. These things go quick. Quick, my friends. Okay, we have a... Oh, look at that. A full legendary Cinderfeller. I can't even read that. My goodness. Cinderella something. Mighty Warrior? Melody Warrior. Singer 9. Well, heck yeah, she's a Melody Warrior then. Whenever this character sings a song, your other princess characters get +1 to their questing, to their lore questing this turn. And she's a 1/5 for 5 that quests for 2. That is awesome. Oh, and that's a full too, so I'm gonna drop it over here in my legendary slot anyway. There's a rare Mickey Mouse, Marty Moose, and we have the Underworld. Yeah, that was super packed. All right. Let's see. Oh, Pegasus, full Pegasus. Pegasus. I know, I'm mispronouncing it just for funsies. Why not? RLS Legacies Canon. And Ursula. Okay. You know, to me, there's nothing like listening to Ursula in the original Little Mermaid singing "Poor Unfortunate Souls." You poor unfortunate souls. Okay, and there's Lisa Madrigal, a foil. Yep, she's the strong sister. And there is Ariel Sonic Warrior, super rare. And a rare Golden Harp. You know, after I get done with this, I think I'm going to go watch Encanto because why not? I think that would just be a fun thing to do tonight. Fun thing to do. Make me feel closer to the cards. Not really, but it's entertainment for a little while. We have a full Flounder. That's awesome. Always like Flounder as a character. Minnie Mouse, Musketeer Champion. Super rare as well. And a rare Miracle Candle. 2 more packs and we'll total up the super rares and legendaries. Oops. I just smacked into the camera. But at least it hasn't crashed on me or anything, so that's good. That's good. We have a full Ling. A super rare Aurora, Lore Guardian, and a rare Bruno Madrigal. Yep. And our last pack, Last Chance Saloon. Bink. And we have a full Mirabelle Madrigal. Nice. And we have rare Bee King Undisputed, and last card, Peppa Madrigal, the Weathermaker. Oh yeah, okay. Like in the movie, every time she gets mad it rains. On her wedding day, Bruno could see the future, and he told her on her wedding day that it was going to be bad weather, and of course she made it bad weather because he told her that. Anyway, it was a self-fulfilling prophecy, if you will. So that's it. Let's have a look if I can get this without shoving them up under the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 super rares, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 regular legendaries and 1 foil legendary. So yeah, pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.